everyone, my name is Dee. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look that I'm wearing right now using the new Always On Cream Eyeshadows from Smashbox. Now this video is not paid nor sponsored. I received no money for this, but I did get the products for free. So just a little disclaimer there. However, that doesn't change my opinion about the product, and even if I didn't like it, I obviously wouldn't be using it. So on that note, if you'd like to learn how to get this fabulous sunsetty mustardy look, please stay tuned and I'll show you how. Brows have been done off camera, and as always I'm going in with my Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer, applying a thin layer pretty much everywhere. Taking an Always On eyeshadow from Smashbox, this is the color Sienna. I'm taking a little bit on the back of my hand and applying this pretty much everywhere with my finger. The smallest amount of ochre, you can barely see it, and I'm going to use a clean finger to blend out the edges of Sienna to give that beautiful fade. Going in with some powder shadow, this is the Ablaze palette from Smashbox, and we're going to take that nice mustard golden tone. And using a Smashbox fluffy brush, we're just going to pull and blow out that color, making it super smoky and diffused. Now on a smaller brush that's a bit flatter, I'm taking that burnt orange and throwing it in my inner and outer crease, as well as inner and outer corner, just to really give some extra oomph and depth. Don't hesitate to keep pulling out that color just to make sure everything is smooth and blended. Next, I'm taking this pressed pigment from Mcgrath, and using my finger, I'm going to tap and blend all over my mobile lid, but this color is so delicious. There's nothing on my brush, I'm just using it to blend out that pigment, making sure it blends seamlessly with that burnt orange we applied earlier. Using the Mercier Caviar stick and Sienna ironically as well, I'm going to line my lash and waterline, and this stunning metallic orange is everything. And again, just using that brush to move and blend out that product. We're not adding anything on, we're just diffusing it and making it a little bit softer. Again, just building up that fade, I'm going in back with that mustard tone and blowing out my lower lash line. Another finger, another pigment, going in with that gold and pressing it in my inner corner to give it that pow, pow, pow. After you're done your lashes and liner, we're going with Spice Lip Liner from MAC, and I'm definitely going to overline my lips. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. Taking the Pacifica Glow Stick oil in Crimson, I'm just going to really liberally apply this everywhere to give a nice stained look to my lips. A generous amount of the Pore Setter setting spray from Benefit. Look at how fine that mist is! So this is the final finished look. Of course, you could do this with a really bold, dramatic, dark lip. I think it would look super sexy and fun. Also, you can do something a little bit more nude. Honestly, it's really up to you, but I'm really liking these whole like earthy tones that are super sunburned and mustardy. So on that note, I hope you like this video. I will continue to be making some videos using the other colors for the cream eyeshadows and also doing some more natural wearable looks if this is a little bit too intense for you. But on that note, thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.